soft lighting. It won't disturb the child's rest. Let you find it accurately in the dark. Unique logo. Don't worry about turning off the wrong light.
Check how many wires are in your switch. Method 1. Single fire line. The capacitance must be installed. Method 2. Neutral and fire line. The neutral wire must be installed. Pairing. Open the smart light. Add device. Long press the button until the Wi-Fi icon flashes. Then start pairing.
Alexa, turn on living room light 1.
Okay.
Alexa, turn on living room light 2.
Okay.
Alexa, turn off all living room lights.
Okay.
Alexa, turn on all living room lights after 9 seconds.
Okay.